Hi, my name's Kerrie Hess. I'm an artist and illustrator, and this is a little look inside my home. Come on in. So this is my favourite part of the house. It's the art studio. It's where I create all of my art prints and we film all of the masterclass courses and I paint original pieces. This is a little mood board. It's where I like to put all of my little colours and swatches and things that I am inspired by for all of my next pieces. And I know you can do these online and digitally, but I just always feel like having it in real life where I can look at it is just that little bit more inspiring. So this here is one of my latest art prints. It's in the series of the eyes. I always find that the eyes are the most mysterious and intriguing part of any art piece for me. Over here we have one of the dresses that is very, very special to me. It was created by one of my friends and designer, George Wu. It's all hand beaded and it was part of the launch of the Lancôme Melbourne suite that I worked on, which was all in these colours, these soft pinks, greys, whites and gold. Another favourite spot in the art studio. This is where I paint all of my big canvas pieces. This is one that we worked on with the masterclass students. It's one of my favourite modules, and painting really just is my happy place. This is where I paint all of my watercolour pieces so that they don't drip. I'm mainly working watercolour, so this is where I spend most of my time during the day. So this is the room of the house that was originally a spare room, which I decided to turn into a dressing room and display all of my favourite things on these freestanding hangers. And over here we have a vintage mirror that was in my cellar in Paris. I brought it back home and cleaned it up and absolutely love now having a little piece of Paris in my home. Here is the bedroom. It's very, very simple, lots of black and white. I find neutral colours make me feel really calm and ready for sleep and really switched off from work. And this is my little puppy Audrey, who is an absolute joy to have around both in the office and at home. I've got a piece here which is one of my favourites. It's of Grace Kelly. I've always been inspired by the Hitchcock films of the 50s, and Grace Kelly just makes me think of this era so much in terms of fashion and style. I just think she's such an icon. This is just a really nice spot to relax as the sun's setting, maybe read a book and just enjoy the end of the day. Thank you so much for joining Audrey and I on the tour of my home.